Welcome. In front of me I have the JETech case for the brand new iPhone 17 Pro, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the case itself and a quick test fit. So unlike the previous cases that I unboxed from this company, I actually now have the phone because they came out. So let's get into this. Now this case seems like nothing really special. We have a plastic back, or a thin plastic back I should add, or like very hard silicone. I'll lean more towards plastic. We have the MagSafe embedded in here, and cutouts for the buttons. Cutouts right here for the button, and then here so it's easier to press. You can see the gaps. Same thing goes on the other side. And just get the iPhone quickly. Now one thing, when you have any kind of lens protection, as I was also applying them on video, they will not fit in these cases, as when you plop it on, the case itself already protects the lens, so it has a little bit of a lip around it here, so the lenses never actually touch the table if you put it down. And obviously there is almost no space whatsoever for anything here, which most lenses either are like a bigger piece that you just slap in like over the entire area, and that's glass that is just kind of sticking up about this much, or single lenses, which yeah, I don't have any, but I have my phone, which they are basically identical to what we have right here on. So the ones that I was applying were similar to these little rings that we have right here, each separate, that you just plop on here. Obviously those rings also have some more space, so these cases would not work whatsoever with such a device. So either case like this and no lens protector, like individual ones, or just a case that is going to protect just the area around the cameras. So there we go. Not much to it. The one more thing that I actually want to point out is there is no button covering the camera button right here. So some of the cases that I've unboxed, even from this company, have this covered, similar to what we have right here, and it's a capacitive button that basically transfers over your touch to the actual button right here, so it still functions. Because typically if you were to grab, I don't know, something like this and press it, it would no longer, as you can see, work. Although, kinda does. Nope, never mind, it just it's pressure. So it just detects the pressure, but not the sliding like it's right now. So yeah, like I said, the other cases have that, and they will also transfer it over. Here it's just exposed. And other than that, it fits well on the case, so not much to it. It's a fitted case. And I would say it reduces the Apple's island right here, or plateau of innovation that they have. So yeah, it looks like it reduces this a little bit, makes it a little bit less noticeable, I would say. Could be also that it's less noticeable because it's covering this hideous color with the two tones to it. So yeah. Anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.